Hello Dream Homers! Are you ready to claim your answered prayer? Welcome to your next dream home investment right here sa exclusive subdivision sa Antipolo. A peaceful community na malapit sa city pero parang nasa private resort ka everyday. Imaginein mo to, 800 square meters na lot area, 600 square meters na floor area with 5 bedrooms, 8 toilet and baths at 6 car parking space. All designed para sa comfort at convenience ng buong pamilya, pati na rin sa mga bisita mo. May private swimming pool ka na para sa bonding moments with family and friends. May glass pond na nagbibigay ng peaceful vibe at may gazebo kung saan pwedeng mag-coffee, mag-devotion o mag-small gatherings habang pinapakinggan ng nature. Meron ding staff quarters para worry-free ang maintenance ng bahay. At hindi lang yan, this is an income-generating resale resort. Pwede mong gawing private staycation house, wedding venue o pang-exclusive family events. Your investment will literally work for you. Napaka-accessible din. Malapit lang sa famous Antipolo Cathedral, Hinulugan Taktak at Cloud9 View Deck. Perfect for that weekend tambay or spiritual retreat. Daily essentials, walang problema. Near ka lang sa Robinsons Antipolo, SM Masinag, schools at hospitals. Originally priced at 70 million, now down to 60 million. Grabe sulit. Sabi nga sa Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." This home can be part of that plan. A blessing na hindi lang para sa'yo, kundi pati sa pamilya mo at sa mga magiging guests mo. Kaya if you've been praying for your dream home na may income potential, safe community at relaxing vibe, this is it. And if this video bless you, like, share, and tag someone na naghahanap ng bahay with income generating. Let's find your home not just physically but spiritually too. I'm Nem and I'm here to help you find a home with a heart. God bless Dream Homers!